It's on you.
Your lack of commitment is almost an insult to the people who believe in you.
Failure gives you two choices. You stay down or you get up.
When it feels scary to jump, that is exactly when you jump.
A real loser is somebody that's so afraid of not winning, they don't even try.
I will never quit.
I'm going to win.
It's time to get back to work.
I will persevere and I will thrive on adversity.
That's where winning is.
Life has to go on. Life doesn't stop at anybody.
Things don't happen to you, they happen for you.
Say to yourself, it's not over until I win. That's how winning is done.
Now loading.
Hey Pookies, so, exams are literally knocking on our doors. And tell me why we always say, I'll start tomorrow, but suddenly tomorrow turns into the night before the exam?
Right.
Like babe, same, but not anymore because this time, we're going full A+ mode. We're gonna make a comeback, a study glow up. Let's go. Grab your water, some sticky notes, and let's romanticize studying, baby.
Puff out your chest, take a deep breath, you're gonna be okay. Is it loud in your mind? Just take your time, you're gonna be.
This is your sign to clean your desk, light a candle, and make your study space your new fave place to vibe. Your brain deserves peace. Listen, studying is not just about intelligence. It's about discipline and strategy. So stop saying, I'm not smart, girl, you are. Romanticize studying like you're in a movie, make your desk cute. Put your favorite playlist on. Get a pretty notebook, some colored pens, and start acting like the main character who studies at cafes and drinks iced coffee while solving math like a genius. Put your phone on airplane mode. Use the Forest app or Study Bunny to keep you accountable. And girl, if your phone keeps calling your name like, come scroll through reels, just remind yourself, that phone won't get me an A+. Don't study for 3 hours straight like a robot. Break your time, 25 minutes focused study. 5 minutes cute break. Every 4 sessions, take a 30-minute break and scroll guilt-free. Start with the subject you hate the most. Let's not avoid it anymore, queen. If it's math, do math first. If it's chemistry, yes, we're facing the periodic table like warriors. Reward yourself after finishing it. Maybe with a cookie, or an episode of your comfort show. Make notes like a Pinterest girl. I'm not saying your notes need to be art, but low-key, when your notes look cute, you actually want to read them. Use headers in pastel highlighters. Bullet points for key concepts. Diagrams. And if you're not into handwriting, use Notion or Google Docs and decorate it with emojis and headers. Highlighting alone isn't enough. You need to test your brain. After studying a topic, close the book and try to recall everything. And girl, past papers? They're gold. They show you the exact exam vibe. Do at least 2 to 3 for every subject. Teach someone, even if it's your teddy bear. This is the funniest trick, but it works like magic. Explain what you learned like you're teaching a baby. Use simple words. Act like a teacher. Bonus. Talk in a British accent if you're bored. If you can teach it, you've mastered it. Study outside your room sometimes. Go to a cafe. Sit in the park. Even the living room is better than your sleepy bed. Before bed, quickly review. 3 things you learned today. 2 things you need to revise. 1 thing you're proud of. It takes 2 minutes and helps your brain log in the info while you sleep. Eat your meals, drink water, move your body a bit. And please, sleep at least 6 to 7 hours. No success is worth burnout. You studied smart. You worked hard. Now go and show them who you are. Okay babe, let's wrap this up. You're not lazy. You're not bad at studying. This exam season, you're gonna surprise yourself. And when you get that A+, remember me and DM me your results, because I'll be cheering for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or not. But definitely go study.